Good morning. Hello. I am mildly annoyed this morning. Hello. Hi. Good Monday morning. Starting the day with technical issues. I love it. Don't you love it when you start your day and things don't work the way they should? Yikes. Anyway, we were supposed to be doing art. My screen mirroring decided to not work. Yippee. And I don't know why, which of the two is not working, either the iPad or the computer, but I have a feeling it's the computer. Occasionally has weird brain farts and doesn't work properly. Anxious pigeon, hello, yes, techie difficulties, yes. Oh, that was weird, that was a weird feeling. One of my hairs got stuck on the microphone and started pulling and I was like, oh, my ear. Baloney, hello. Hello. So yes, we're just gonna continue Godot in that case. It's just before stream that I was like, oh no. And like, I turned on the thing where you send the iPad to the computer. Why am I not finding the words? Screen mirroring. I started screen mirroring on my iPad and I saw it appear for like a fraction of a second and then stopped working. So I'm assuming my computer is not sending the signal properly. So yeah, I restarted the iPad because I thought maybe it's the iPad, but I'm too sure it's my computer. And I didn't feel like restarting the computer because I had everything open, everything ready for stream. I was like, nuh-uh. No way. No way. Now, Smo, hello, good morning. Anybody had a fun weekend? Anything crazy happen? I didn't sleep very well last night. I took a nap yesterday afternoon, a bit of a long nap, and I think that's why I had trouble falling asleep and like staying asleep afterwards. That's my own fault, but also people screaming in the streets, very annoying, very annoying. One person going, ah, and I was like, shut up. He did it for like half an hour. I was like, fuck's sake, shut up. Eventually he stopped, and then I fell asleep. Living in the city. Yay, that was around midnight. Fun. How is it around your place? Is it much more calm and all that? Is it better? Anyway, Godot. My brain is not ready for Godot this morning. I thought I was gonna be doing some art. Now I'm like, what was I doing? Oh no. Anyway, the balloons still work, right? We didn't create bugs. I don't think so. Okay, that's still working. Obviously the direction and movement and all that is all wacky. Green, yes. Still good. Oh. Osmo just hit the bottom collision. Still have to fix that. Because he should be doing like this. Like the balloon should like go like this and not like this. Right? So that's not fixed. Not yet anyway. But yeah, I don't know what I was doing. What was I doing? I don't know. I know this should be saving itself properly in the save data. Yeah, you hit it. Yeah, you hit the bottom again. Why are you hitting yourself? Yeah, magic wall. So now this I should have both of you. I mean, you're already there, I think. Yeah. No! Okay. What was I doing? Guys, I can't recall. What was I up to now? Like, I have my balloons saving. I'm capable of loading them, I think. Maybe I should play with the assets at this point. Check which one's chosen and all that. Good morning, Yoshi. Hello. How's it going? How's the weekend? What do I want to do? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, right. Oh, I remember what I was working on. I was working on the command to show which balloons you own. But I don't have a two-way direction from Godot to StreamerBot. I only have StreamerBot to Godot. So I was thinking possibly I could deal with this through StreamerBot directly instead of calling Godot, because it doesn't really matter. It doesn't give you points or anything to see the balloons. The only thing is, I don't know how to call Jason. Can I do it? Let's see, let's look it up. It's me! Jason, StreamerBot, StreamerBot. Good morning. Okay, let's see. Is it complicated? Is it easy? Can I open a file? I don't want to parse something I've received. I want to open a file. JSON file. Maybe it talks about it. I don't want to read. I'm too tired for this. Oh my god, I just wanted to draw. I can't. Sad. Big sad. Parse data, blah blah blah. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. It's like I don't want to use an extension. I'm sure there's a way of doing it. It's not that hard to open a file and read it. Hold on. There must be a way. I will create a new group. Can I create a new group? No, I guess I'll have to add a new action and then create a new group. Show balloons would be its name. Nobody had anything interesting happen this weekend? Nothing? I didn't do much. I repotted my mother's plant that the monstera I gave her. Hers was definitely not doing so well. Definitely not. A little bit of root rot happening. I should get it a queue. Its own queue. Let's delay at queues. Yeah, but now it's got its chunky soil mix. Should be doing much better. Blocking, should it be blocking? I don't think it needs to be blocking because I'm not gonna be doing any of the... Don't do anything fun, no! Oh no. Oh well. Can I think productive then? I think, wait. Oh wait, brain. I was like, wait, why is it? Oh, the queue I just did. I'm so confused. I am not awake for this. Okay, let's see. What can I do with this? Core. I know it might go through C#, but can I? File exists, folder exists, read lines from file, I mean random line, specific line, write to file. I don't think. I'm gonna have to do some C#, I think. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. How does this work? Okay. Cool. I'll leave it as is for now. But first, what we'll need from... Wait. Hold on. The message is gonna be different if it's YouTube or Twitch. So this is gonna be Show Balloons Twitch then. Wait. Oh shit. No, wait, no, hold on, because the command's gonna be the same command on both. How am I gonna do that? I have to check and see if the... Oh my god, if the user... I have to make a if. I mowed the lawn? Ew. Gross. Yeah, just let it go, whatever. Just get some clover. Just let that grow. Yeah, Shark Attack, hello! Hello. Huh. Okay, I'll do Twitch first. And then I'll figure out YouTube later. User... get user info from target. It's gonna be user. Get that on top. Now I have no idea how to do C#. Yay! Hi, Pluxplo. Hello. How's it going? Good morning. It is getting warm in here. 28.5 in the sunshine. Hey, I think it's supposed to be really warm for us here this week. We're catching up. No, our cold weather is leaving us. No. You got Final Fantasy VIII on Steam and you don't know why? I've had that for a while. It was like my first Final Fantasy game when I was younger. And I tried replaying it. Man, where's it long? there's like just so much going on in that game that's just long. You're just like all the animations, everything, it's just like, oh man, I just want to play. But I still like it. I still like the vibe of the game and all that, but man, I don't have the patience for that game. It is old. It is definitely old. Jeez. The remastered is sped up. They have mods that speed it up. Do I have the remastered? Have I played the remastered? Hold on, let me look at Steam. Which one do I have? Final Fantasy? No, it's the normal one. That's why it was slow as heck. That's why. No, wait, that's the one you played. Maybe it is the. What? I still find it slow. Yeah. When did I last play? What? Whoa. I thought I played more recently than that. 2018? It's been a while. Oh, you got the OG. Okay, I guess this is the OG. Yeah. I see. I thought you had the remastered. But yeah, I have 7 also. I also have this one too, apparently. Okay. 13. I know this one I tried to install and play back in the day, and as you can see, 2020. Never wanted to start and didn't feel like fixing it. So, never played it. So then I have 14. Oh yeah, I did play 14. I forgot I had 14. And then this one, and I believe I have another one that's just elsewhere. I just put it probably in my 2-play. Yep, 15. Started this one, but I have too many games to play, so I never continued. Yippee. Yeah. I've been playing a lot of Wuthering Waves recently because I'm trying to, like, I was trying to catch up to do the cyberpunk stuff. And then yesterday I came, I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do early access because I have way too much main quest left to do. On stream? Nah. No, not on stream. So many games, so little times, right? Nope, not that. I guess I could do the StreamerBot stuff later. What else can we do with Godot? So balloons should go through StreamerBot. Switch is definitely gonna go through Godot because I need to. Then again, StreamerBot could also do that. The reason why I'm getting balloons to go through StreamerBot is that I need StreamerBot to send a message in the chat to say, hey, these are the balloons you have, and I can't do that right now with Godot. I don't know how to make it go the other way, so it goes one way but not the other. So basically this is the plugin I got, and all it does is get the signal from StreamerBot, basically. Yeah. Where's the other code? I would probably have to modify the settings and stuff. I'd have to like go through this and like try to figure out if there's a way of like going the other way. And be like, hey StreamerBot, send a chat, but I don't know if I can though. I don't know if it'll work. But instead of that, I'm just gonna go straight through StreamerBot. Yeah. Let's close this. Keep that one open. Or no. Actually close that one too. Fluff. Okay, so if we can't do balloons, we can do Switch though. We can definitely do Switch. Contain Switch, print Switch. And this is gonna be Yeah, but the lurk fishing game wasn't connected to StreamerBot. The lurk fishing game was connected to Twitch directly. That's the difference. So there is like kind of a medium in between. It's StreamerBot because we're doing YouTube at the same time. Yeah. I kind of need the intermediary there. Eventually, if I want to make the standalone, I would probably connect the Twitch API directly, but I'd have to find a way of connecting the YouTube one also. And like, I don't know. I don't know if I feel like it. We'll see. Ah, yes. Lurk bait fishing was direct with the API. Okay, switch. Switch is gonna call a function in the balloons. I believe it already exists, or does it? Position physics chains chosen. Ah, yes, it does exist. Oh, but then I do have to apply the sprite too. That's I changed the file, but I don't change the sprite. Okay, so it's gonna be, how do I get your balloon though? Username, I do get the new username. Visible users. I could go through visible users and get their balloon. Wait, I'm gonna keep the print so it's not empty. Switch. And then I'm gonna print visible users so I can see how I did this because I'm too lazy to go through my code. Very hot, gross, ew, ew. Okay, so if I do switch, okay, so what I can do is, oh, easy, kind of. So it's gonna be visible users, username, and I should have access to the balloon from there. Reload. Ah, shrewd. I wrote it all wrong. And it did work. Great. Lovely. What did I do? Maybe just like this? I don't think so. Wait, how do we do this? Ah! Nintendo Switch! I could also check. Right, I should probably check to see if it exists, first off. If visible users has username. Is it like a get? Maybe it's a get. I never know, like, how it's written and everything. Let's remove these two. I don't think I need those anymore. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Welcome in. Can I? Does it have a get in there? It does. Huh. I don't know if it'll work though. Let's print it out. See if that works. Switch. Boop. It didn't bug. That's a good sign. Kinda, but nothing happened. Cool. Oh, that's why it bugged. Because it didn't recognize the name. Ah. Wait. I'll print out visible users again. God damn it. What do you mean it didn't work? Crap. Reload. Switch. Oh, you have to already be there? Is that what it is? Shit. I think I see what's going on. So, I think when I did switch before, my balloon was on screen. It couldn't find the balloon. I might, yeah. Wait, now if I do switch... Still doesn't work though. Huh. Interesting. It still just gives us the visible users, but not the... Oh, wait, no, maybe it does. Hold on, no, maybe it does, actually. There's one there. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it might be it. Oh, yeah, I think it worked. I think it worked. I think we're good. Switch. Yeah, definitely. Yep. It worked. It's just there's too much on the screen. Okay, so basically... The username has to be... Oh god. Check command. Where's my check command? Wait, no. Hold on. So if visible user, I have to... Oh god. Dear lord, I have to go with the save then. Okay. save. So I loaded my game data, so I just need to go in the game data instead of visible users, I guess. But then, oh goodness. So game data instead. Oh, how do I get game data usually? Save data probably. Ba, 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 ba. Woohoo! We're debugging. Woohoo! So I guess I would have to apply it directly to the save file and then get the balloon to appear. If the balloon's not there, can I call it to force it? But then again, it is gonna go through it anyway. Oh my god, okay, so I have to check. So if your balloon's already there, fine. But if it's not, and you apply it, is it gonna apply directly before it appears? But then if it's already there, I have to change the spray. Oh my god. Make a bug, find a bug, make 2 bugs, find a bug, make 4 bugs, find a bug. More bugs! Yippee! It's probably a better way of doing this, to be honest. But just want to see if this works to start. And then we'll fix the logic of it all. I'll switch. Did I do a print? It didn't bug, but I didn't do- oh no, I did. Wait, what? Huh. Interesting. That didn't work. Cool. Nothing happened. Lovely. So nothing happened. Let me see if it's going through at all. If it says false, it's a lie. I love how my chat is just like a spam of the command. I love having testers. False. What do you mean false? What have I done? Oh, maybe because my game data is not quite that. Wait, users. Oh, I'm dumb. Because I have to go in users. Dummy. I'm a big dummy. God damn it. Nothing even matters, right? Right? Now we should have something. Cool. And it does null because why? It's true, but it's null? But maybe it's just the get. That's not quite the right thing. Okay, let me... Oh, that's why. I was like, wait. I don't have enough songs in this playlist. They're so short. Unless I put NCS on instead. Just play these, do a little shuffle, go next, or else it's not shuffled. Repeat, please. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, so Godot dictionary get value with key variable something. I don't like the documentation. It's sometimes confusing to use. I don't always find what I want. Yeah, this should have... Oh, it would have worked earlier. I'm dumb. It's just that it didn't work because it didn't have the right thing. Ha! Should be fine now. It's just me calling myself dumb this morning. I'm too tired for this. This should work then. Reset. Put them together, I can't speak. Together, a little string game where you guys have a little balloon on screen. Yay, that works. Now let's try switch. Balloon. Oh. Oh. It actually bugged. Great. Did I do it wrong again? Yes, I did. Fuck's sake. Yes, I did do it wrong. Alright. Do it again. Okay, now we got it. Oh my god. No! There's not really any objective yet. It's just to have you guys floating around on my screen. A bit like a, you know, like what's the name of it? Stream avatars kind of thing. But eventually there's gonna be a whole fighting system. God, my movement is all wrong. At some point I'll fix that. But yeah, right now I'm doing the change of sprites for when you guys have like your own little fancy schmancy balloons and you want to switch at some point. So this works, cool. User save. So what I'm gonna be doing, I need to bring in some more assets though. I want to test this. Like a little guinea pig, you're my little guinea pig. Hehehe. Nice, bologna sandwich, you're in there. Space Lash and also cool, we're getting more data. Well, the fighting system is gonna be automated. It's not gonna be controllable all that much. It's gonna be aiming at specific balloons. Like, for example, you aim at a specific user in chat. It's gonna be all chat-based, so almost all chat-based. Eventually it's gonna have channel redeems, but not yet. But yeah, for now we're still doing the base stuff. Very much in the base stuff. Okay. I should bring in new assets so we can test that. Give me a second. What's gonna open if I open this? It wasn't that bad. Game dev, projects, string game, assets, image. I still need to fix the other ones though, because I only have these two. Sure, the same size. I'll open this one in Photoshop. Sounds like fun. It is. And at the same time, I'm learning Godot and how to make games. New assets. Yeah. Okay, let's open the other ones. So here's the thing. When I exported from Procreate, it exported the full thing. Blue, white. Which one's this one? Oh, it's this one. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da. Okay, now I need you. Oh, now you're cool. Okay, I can grab you and put you over here. Good, you are the same size. Good, good, good. Whoop. Just want to make sure they're the same size when I do it. There's obviously it's not gonna work for all the balloons. Some balloons are a little more large and. Why are you there? What? I was like, where's my file? Jeez. Export as. I'm so tired, same. I didn't sleep much. Definitely not. Everything's fine. This one's gonna be... What's the name of this one? Not sure. Blue and white? Blue white banners? Got like little banners. Okay, that's one. This one. Align it. It's fine. It's not gonna show anyway. What? Photoshop, stop putting the bar there, dummy. Sometimes it's silly. Do 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 do. I am so hot. Good God. Checkers, pink green checkers. Do 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 do. Okay, at least two, that's fine. We'll work with that. Oh, I named a new folder, great. Didn't even rename it. Cool. I'm gonna take this. Close add-ons, because I don't need that right now. This one, put it in. Boop. There we go. Stop it, drop. PS? PS? What PS? S. Nope, I can't find something for it. Oh, Photoshop. Oh my fucking God, I'm too tired. I didn't sleep very well. Photoshop, yes. PS, yep. Because I've moved on. I would have realized that's why I was like, oh right, PS, Photoshop. Oh my. Okay. Let's create a new one. This one's gonna be... it's gonna be my naming. I guess I'll call it blue-white again. I guess I'll name it the same, blue-white banners. And then we'll have pink-green checkers.
They don't have engines? They don't have wings?
Shouldn't work!
It's a basket in the sky!
Yes. Shuts down every time? What do you mean shuts down every time? Photoshop? No, it doesn't. It doesn't shut down. On my computer, anyway. Alright, pink green. Boom. Blue white. Obviously, these ones don't have any animations. They don't really have a need for one. Yeah, most of them are pretty static. Eventually I'll have them. I don't remember adding this song, but okay. I've added a whole lot of songs to this. I was like just barely listening to them and adding them to the list because I was trying to build something. Oh, it's this one, that's why. Yeah, it's Zelly. Okay, I remember now. Script. Now, let's say I give the truck. Obviously, it has to be the exact same name. Oh, should I do it like that or not? Because then you guys have to write it with the underscore. Or should I do it like... I should do it shorter, shouldn't I? Because you guys are gonna have to write it in chat. Maybe this? Pink green. Hopefully I don't have any other balloon that I have to be green. I'll have to find good names for all of them then. Yeah, because I have to remember you guys are gonna have to write switch and then what you want to switch it to. Yeah, I'll try to make it easier for you guys. We'll put blue white on Nasma because I know you guys write a lot. Blue white. Save. There we go. Alright. Alright, so now we can print it. We have the user and crap. I'll need the message. Hold on, print. Message. How am I gonna separate that though? Huh. Shut down any comments about your oh yeah, always. Always. Place of knowledge! Yes. The knowledge is the most important. Yes. Yeah, because I have to play with the string. Oh god. And then I have to take into account if... Huh. How would I do that? Because if you write switch and then write the color, but then you write something else, I have to ignore the something else. Because that might happen. Never know. Anyway, let's print message, see how that appears. Okay, I just wrote switch. Now, if I write switch... Okay. What I might do, I think I might do a dictionary or something. Should I do a dictionary? And then I'll just check with the dictionary. I don't want numbers. I don't want numbers because eventually it's gonna get confusing as to which one is which. Because at some point if we have like 100 balloons, like... Just imagine. Oh, do I put there again? It works. It's fine. It works. I'm just trying to think about the best way to do this. To check against it. Because even with numbers, I still need something to associate it to. And I still kind of need a dictionary at that point, and I don't want to use numbers for myself and be like, which one was this number again? Like, I don't want to do that. Switch, which 1,900,046. Okay, cool. So I think, would it be in main or would it be? Where would I put that? Unless it's in, oh wait, it couldn't be in this. It could be in the save data. Because I have users, I could have the balloons we've made so far. Yeah, I can check maybe. No, still doesn't work. No, wait, hold on. Ugh, this is hard. This is hard. List off the ones you own, then you pick the number. Yeah, but then because there's gonna be a command to see which ones you have, and if you have 100 of them, the chat message is gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane no matter what, though. Unless I put the list on the website. Ugh, God. How would I do that? Because there is going to be a command that's going to return this to you. It's going to be like, hey, here are the ones you have. So it's not numbers. No, there's got to be a way to do it with not numbers. Unless I just don't give a crap and just strip out switch and the space and go for whatever text is after. You're just going to have to... I guess. Also apostrophes could be good, and then we force you guys to actually put something I can detect. Or I do like James did. I do switch, but then the other word has to be stuck to switch. Maybe. Because that's what he has, I believe. Because then it would prevent me from... Although I could just strip the space, too. Because it's a little more clear. Hello, Brandon! Hello! How's it going? Good morning. How's it going? Yeah, let's just go basic. I'm just gonna keep switch, and then it's gonna be up to you guys to write it right. If it doesn't work, it's your problem. Okay, where was I? Switch. There. Right. So. No, that wouldn't work. It would just be like switch and then whatever. Unless I make it so no matter if there's... Anyway. Nice stuff for life. If message contains switch, data has username. Okay, we're gonna go through the username and then... Oh god, what are the methods for strings for this one? I know how to do it to do in JavaScript. I'm not sure about Godot. Find a replace. Okay, it's just replace. Replace switch with anything. But then it would be switch and the space then. It's been so long, right? Yeah, we're building a game. Yes. Yes, we are. We're gonna start with that. So, message is gonna be equal to message replace replace switch. I think that's gonna work, but I'm not sure. Adding the space and then removing everything. And then we're gonna print out message, see what happens. What happens? Oh, I'm actually gonna keep this one. Because I don't want to mess up next time. Ah! Oh, theme song. Message. We are indeed building a game. I will show you in a moment if it doesn't decide to bug. It works! But then you guys have to write it right. Ha. So then... just strip switch. Oh no! Oh, yeah. Would it crash it? Not necessarily. Not if I put a check on. No extra text. Well, if there's extra text, it's your problem. That's so dope. Thank you, Brandon. This is only the beginning, though. Last time we worked on it, we managed to get the save system going. And I still need to fix my movement. But yes. Yeah, we got all this data stuff going, so now you should have one in here. Yes, there you are. Ta-da! How's life? It's lifing. It's the usual, working. Too busy, too many things at once, stream and all that. Okay, then the message. Now what am I gonna check that on?
Why is it spicy?
Why is it spicy? Shouldn't be chatting in commands anyways, right? Exactly, that's what I'm figuring out right now. So then... it has it. So... the check's gonna be on the balloon, I think. Is the balloon saved? Oh wait, hold on. That doesn't work. Ah shit! I need the balloon to exist. Hold on, where's my check command actually? Where am I calling this? Ah, I'm doing it in the beginning, am I? The balloon needs to exist beforehand. Cause I can't access functions in balloon if I don't have a balloon. There we go. That's gonna fix some of that. I'll put the one from YouTube at the bottom. There we go. Now the balloon exists. Hooray! Woohoo! So now I can use visible users. God damn it. But then again, I do need to check my save data. Although, if it's invisible users, it's definitely in the save data anyway, so... okay, let's switch it. Visible users. Alright, we're gonna have to recheck, see if it bugs. Oops. It seems to not bug. That's good. But we're gonna collide in the middle, maybe? Yes, we're definitely gonna collide. Boing. Okay, cool. It doesn't bug. It doesn't bug. We're good. We're good. Okay, so we've got the message. And then invisible users. I'm gonna grab that balloon. Wait. Hold on. Yes. No? I think so. Hold on. Change chosen. It should be directly the balloon. When balloons collision. Change chosen, and I need to pass a string. That's it. That is it. So that's gonna be message. Okay. This should work, I think. So this is that, chosen. If I don't counter check it though, it's gonna be weird. Oh, I don't counter check it with the save though. I have to make sure you guys actually have it. I need to blow my nose first. Leaky nose. Yep. I forgot to unmute myself. Thank you, Ushi. I was like, if I switch to blah blah. Yeah, I didn't save that. If it doesn't save, it doesn't work. Ah, I'm learning. Oh, jeez. Okay, so all it does, right, user sprites. So it's just the local that it's affecting it to. So I need to save. Return, save user, save new balloon, but it's not a new balloon. Or just save balloon. This would probably still work. Obviously, this is gonna change with time. I'm gonna be putting... I should just put the variable directly. User points. There we go. Highest score is gonna be a check. It's gonna counter check with the last stream, and then it's gonna see if it's bigger. Or the last score, I guess. No, just me forgetting to, yep. Yep. Okay. User points is gonna be empty for now. That's fine. I'm just gonna call it save balloon at this point. Wait, where do I use this? Is it main? New. Oh, there it is. Save balloon. There we go. Save data, add data. But I don't want to add data, I just want to save it. Load, save. I mean, add data would be fine, probably. Beta test? Yes, I guess I should. What would it look like? Kind of like, you know, those crash test dummies? Have like a balloon that's kind of like got the thing on it. Or a bug. Or a crash test dummy, I do like that one. A data key string dictionary data. Okay, cool key. Should I even bother returning it, or should I just... Oh, I see what I do. What if I just go through save balloon directly instead of doing it like that? I'm thinking of a better way of doing this. Yeah, that works too. Crash test dummy. Yeah. So what if I had instead balloon? Everything goes through save balloon instead. And I send the username. Yeah, that would be it, because this would be coming from its own function. So this would be added in the other function instead. I know it's bugging, I know it's normal, I have to change it. Okay, just put that there for now. Username. Put that there, put that here, username. Take this off and have a save user. And we're returning just a void. I don't think we need anything for now. If I do need to do some debugging stuff, I'll have it return a bool. For now, it's gonna be fine like this, I think. This should still work. I think. Okay, so then chosen sprite. I can then... Oh, shoot. Oh no, it doesn't matter because I am in the user balloon. So it's fine. Ta-da! So I have my username, right? Yes. Actually, I don't even need to pass this. Or do I? Hold on. Main. No, I don't. What am I doing? This is a class. What am I doing? Don't need it. Magic. Ta-da! Oof, oof, it's warm. The sun is making it warm. It's 30.6 in my room now. How's the camera doing? It's kind of warm. Warm-ish. The world may never know. There we go. So now I can do save ballon. And it should save it. Should. Oh, I did bug everything. Yep, I did. Oh, ballon. Yes, of course, ballon. Of course. Reload. Ballon. Bala bala. I have AC on right now. Yes, it is on. Just the sun is just so hot. So hot. Let's see. User data. Haha, it worked. Ha ha ha. Nice. But now I need to counter check with the owned sprites. Can't just put blah blah and expect it to work. It works, guys. Woohoo. Also, is the music volume fine? Is it too much? It is a bit loud in my ear. You know how many people in the States die from the heat? Well, people here too, you know, it's kind of weird. No, the sun's just... it's the skylight. Can I put something there? It's bouncing off that window down there again. I don't have anything big enough to put there. Oh, yes, I do, actually. Hold on. I put a cushion. Oh, it fell. Oh. Day. What? No, I didn't block it at all. Okay, there we go. We use AC, I mean. Yes? Now, if you put nothing, though, now you'll have nothing. Switch. It just becomes switch. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Finally, I'm not getting blinded from the side of my face. Alright. So it's so weird, though, that when you have nothing else in the string, it doesn't replace it. Why? So strange. Add balloon. Check command. It should, though. Oh no, because of the space. Shit. Or just double replace. Yeah, just... yeah. Boop. There. Just double it. I'm lazy. Maybe I can do like... oh no, I think I know what I can do. I can do this. Can I do it like in JavaScript? Do a double function like that? It's not complaining. Oh, you think so? Yes? Whoa. What the fuck? You got the new one! What? Where'd that one come from? Wait, when did you switch that one? Wait. Did it default to the wrong one? I can't unget it. What if I do switch pink green? Obviously it's not gonna unswitch because it's not changing the... yeah, it's not changing the sprite, obviously. Random question. Alright, random question, let's go. Okay, it switched, but I don't switch the thingy. So that makes sense. But it did work in the save. Cool. No, you don't get ads. You do not. No ads. No, no, no. And that is why I removed it. But it does have weird stuff on my side though, because I removed it. I still have emotes, but not. Which is weird. Like, you still have access to the follower emotes, but I don't have access to modify those anymore. What? So weird. You're just thinking about it? Yeah, so like, I have emotes, but not? Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to drop the ads. It'll be back eventually. I do want to finish the balloon game before that, because I want to have my channel redeems again. That's the only thing I find annoying with the affiliation, is like, I want my channel redeems! Because the balloon game is going to function with the channel redeems eventually for the fighting part of it. So yeah. Yeah, it's so weird that I have emotes, but like can't do anything about them. Yeah, it's like Twitch is not made to be unaffiliated. Like, it gets confused. There are things that don't detach properly. Oh well. I'll live with that. Yeah. Okay, how do I display my sprite again? Display sprites. That was supposed to be with the balloons command. I don't know if I'll be able to do it through Godot. How do I do the thing? Self-modulate color. No, that's fine. Theme balloon. Theme balloon. Theme. User sprites, save sprites, get child, blah blah blah. What? Self, get child, play. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, here. Here. Unless... Oh, you might want to go default too, so I might just... I'm thinking. Add check to avoid bug. Right, I had a bug here. I forget what it was. It probably bugs when it doesn't have the animation. How do I check that? I don't know. It's a Godot thing. Because probably it tries to do this and then bugs the hell out. Like if I do blah blah. No color for new Twitch users? Nah, I'm gonna keep the color. So if I do change chosen, why am I theme balloon? When do I call theme balloon? Sorry, I'm trying to like optimize at the same time. New balloons, save sprites, save sprites. Where's why am I doing it this way? Save sprites, add balloon, load sprites, payload. Why am I doing through here? No, it wasn't the color. That was another bug. It's a bug I haven't fixed. The color one I fixed. It's here. So we here. This is like the bug fix. This is another bug. I believe it bugs when it doesn't find the animation to play. Like, let's say you wrote blah blah and chosen and it doesn't find it. I think that's why it bugs. I can make it run, you'll see. Wait, where is it? Change chosen. I think I'm gonna put these close together because they are related. Theme, balloon. So I'm trying to think, because like the way I did it, I do the save sprites, but that's when you create a balloon. But when you change stuff, I don't want to have to go through. I should probably make a function that grabs the saved sprites from the saved data. Probably, that would probably be smarter. Probably. Yeah, I should do that. Get saved sprites. I don't need to pass anything because we're already in the balloon. It's gonna return a dictionary. I can also do this here. Probably. Ooh, I don't know. Probably not, actually. Probably gonna have to be written like this. Okay, now I need to... Ah, shit. Wait. Oh, wait, should it be a function of balloon or should it be a function of save data? Nah, balloon. Balloon. Save data. Oh wait, it's just game data. Right. Just throw you back 10 years? Yes. Oh wait, how old is this? 2015. Oh yeah, 10 years makes sense. Yep. Indeed. Yeah, good old NCS. And on we'll go. Game data, and then in the game data there's users in which we want the user. Actually I'm just gonna return directly. And in username I want, what do I want? Users, this, and then sprites. Oh, wait, what am I trying to do? Sprites. Sprites. I mean, I could go for all of them. Yeah, all of them. Oh, fine. You remember hearing it for the first time? Jeez. It is old. It's... Yes. Takes you back to sitting in the garden drinking lemonade looking at all the flowers. You're shrubbery. Yes. It's still surprising this is all copyright free. Like this song. It's copyright free. You can use it wherever you want. But you have to credit it, which is why I have it there. Okay, this should work? Question mark? Yeah, I will put it in there. Get the sprites. We're gonna remove this. Don't need that anymore. Do. Yeah. Head out to the doctor. I hope it goes well. Yeah, glad to see you again, but I definitely hope it goes well. The doctor, hope it's nothing too serious. I also have to go to the doctor later about, like, routine stuff. Yay. Doctor stuff. Always fun. Always fun. Okay, I think this is fine. Like, obviously my logic is gonna change as we go, and I'll be like, yeah, that's gonna be better like this and like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna use theme balloon, chosen sprite, save balloon, and then theme balloon. I guess. It should work. Not sure. Oh, fun! Yay! Getting some tests done. Been pushing my body way too hard. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, gotta be nice to your body. Be nice so it lasts as long as possible. Switch to pink green. Oh! Look at me go! And if I switch back to mine. Why works? Fuck yay! Let's go! Wait, why are you pink green? Oh, you switched it earlier, right? Right. And I can switch to default if I feel like. No, I can't. I found a bug! Or Trop found a bug. Baby, because you had nothing? Oh, Yoshi created a bug somehow. What? Wait. Invalid property key Yoshi... Where? What do you mean? Where? Get save sprites. Apparently Yoshi makes a bug. Well. Probably because Yoshi didn't have data. Most likely. I don't think Yoshi was in here before. Maybe that's why. Yep, that's why. Oh my. Yeah, you didn't have a balloon yet. I'm seeing all the bugs. So okay, so get save sprites is called... How many times? Only once? Wait. Get saved. What? No, like what? How did I do that? Hold on. Get saved sprites is called here. Theme balloon, that's where that's where it bugs. So when you have a new balloon, it shouldn't call this one. So I guess I'll probably have to put the check in the function. Wait, when does it call it? Oh, it calls it before that returns it. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. You indeed did not have a balloon yet. Unless I theme the balloon after it returns it. That would work. I kind of want to self-contain it though. Yeah, keep it in balloon. So put it back. Savannah. Savannah. If... How do I do this? How do I do this? If... save data... has... Yep, okay. I get it. I get it. Brain. We do it. We do it! Brain! Brain! Save data... Game data... users... has... username... do the thing. Whoop. Do this. Else. Return nothing. I'll return an empty dictionary. There we go. This should probably stop it from bugging. Or not. Wait. Let me check theme real quick. User sprite, get save sprites will return nothing. But the chosen doesn't exist. And then I could just give it the default. I guess. 19 minutes warning! Oh no! Savannah. Yeah, I guess I could just pass this base sprite thing of this bit here. Where am I? Where am I? Get sprites. Here we go. Savannah. I'm just gonna put it in one line. That should be fine, I guess. Reload. All right. It's me. It's me. We just need Yoshi to write. Yoshi! We need you. I need the use cases. Yay! It didn't bug. Woohoo! Yay! Switch default. Well, that didn't work. And you're somewhere in the ether. You'll come back one day. Are we gone? Oh, no, we're back. Oh, you didn't switch to default. Mine did. Oh, because yours... Yeah, you didn't write it right. Right. Well, it works. Nice. We got that working. Aha! Now it works. Yay! I did a thing. It's worked. It's worked? Too tired. Whoa. What? Why? Why is it green? Oh, because it's still modulated. Oh. Right, because if I do... Ha ha ha. If I do pink green... Why am I always at the other end of the world? Come back! I should still technically be modulated. Oh, I have to learn how to remove a modulation. Where am I? Switch pink green. Yep, still modulated. Ugh. Boo. Yep, I'm yellow. Ugh. Okay, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So, change chosen. Green balloon. Unless I remove modulation every single time. I don't know how to do that. Can we just reset? Don't know. Reset. Modulate. Godot. How do I ever write modulate? But like remove it. Do I just need to modulate white? I guess? Ugh. I'll try. I guess I'll try. Self modulate. White or clear? Oh yeah, that would make sense. Carry on. Carry on. I mean I could just try white, see what happens. Hello. Okay. Why am I still pink green? Oh, I switched it. Right. Switch default. Oh. Okay, now I'm default. Good. And it seems to work. Maybe? I didn't see it. It works! White is fine! Yippee! So many of my balloons, I'll have to do a check that it's not... if it's me. What problem? What do you mean? What problem? I don't see anything, it's fine. I know you don't own that. I don't have a check on that. Yet. It's free for all right now. Yeah. I'll have to counter check the own. We're getting there. Don't get ahead of yourself. So before the play, I'm gonna have to check and make sure you actually own that. So would it be in change chosen? Yeah, probably before I do anything. Probably. So. Now I need to figure out and see if it would be index of or something, I guess, for an array. Why aren't I streaming from a balloon? Because I don't own a balloon, sadly. Not that I'd want to, but hi. Hello. Fixate! So I'm the only one to ever use a chirpy balloon other than oh. Haha. Okay, brain is not braining. Wait. I'm gonna print it out, see what happens first. So, hello, I'd like to see user sprites is gonna be owned. Alright, I named it owned. Can I do an index of? No. How does it work? Godot! Index of array. Godot. I don't know how I work in Godot. I don't know how it works in Godot. Methods. Any maybe? Append the sign back. Feel fine. No, that's an integer. Has. Oh, it's just has. Cool. It's the same as a dictionary. Cool, cool, cool. Has. What about chosen? My brain is starting to fry with all the temperature. 31.7. My camera's probably on the verge of... Actually, no, it's not on the verge. Because I turned off the overheating thing. Pink green. I shouldn't own that, so it should be false. Yes. But then I do own Chirpy. So it should say true. Yay, it works. Yeah, I know. I'll have to manually do them, probably. Or you'll switch to what you have. And back! Welcome back. God, it's warm in here. I should probably... This little guy on the camera. I'm a little worried about the camera. Here, for you. Silver, under it. Got before. Thanks. You're welcome. Have a little bit of air. There you go. Oh, we have a white balloon. Wait. Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Because it... No. Hold on. Why? Why did it go white? I know I'm doing the check. It's like it didn't go through the modulate properly. Oh, because your chosen is not default. Well... But you switched it to blue-green. Is that the name? Hold on. Oh, it's blue-white. It's blue-white, actually. That's why. So that doesn't exist. So that's fine. That's fine. Once the owned stuff goes through, it's gonna be fine. Where am I? Print here. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit too late. I think I turned it off before I went through. Okay, if... So this is all gonna be an if. Oh, I would love to have the two-way. I need to have Godot talk to StreamerBot. I'll have to figure that one out. Because if the person doesn't have it, I have to be like, nah, nah, nah. You don't own that one. Just don't try. There we go. So owner has chosen sprite, chosen save balloon, theme balloon. Right. This should work. That's better. Gotcha. Yes. So you guys only have default? Yeah. Oh no. Chop has pink green, right? I gave it to him. And blue, right? For Nosmo. Let's test this out. You shouldn't be able to get things you don't have. I probably should have fixed it though. Yeah. Wait, isn't it called blue white? I'm confused now. Is it blue green or blue? Wait, what did I name it? Balloon. No, I call it blue white. What? I'm confused. I'm so confused. No, but I have pink green and blue white. But I think Nosmo... Yeah, Nosmo has blue white and Chop has pink green. But right now you have my balloon. I know, because you still have it there. Hello. Yeah, 'tis me. 'Tis me, I can change. But then if I do switch to default, I should be fine. Yeah, still fine. And if I try pink green, it shouldn't work. No, it doesn't go through. Good. Because I don't own it, but I should own them all. I'll have to do a check to see if it's me or not. I can never go back. Nope. Nope. Switch default. That works perfect. I'm already on default. Doesn't bug if I'm already on it. Cool, 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 cool. And then I'll switch back to my balloon if I rate it right. Ta-da! It's such a nice sweater. Yes, but it's my sweater. Mine. Your balloon doesn't stop hitting the bottom and then Yoshi is stuck in the corner. No! You guys are stuck there. No! Yeah, I really need to fix that movement because Chop should be bouncing the other way, not that way. Because right now all I have is X inversion, not Y. Let me out! No! Oh jeez. Well, I mean, I'm just like la 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 la. Well, it works. Cool. We got that working. Nice. It's working. Yeah, definitely with the art stuff, I'm gonna have to do the dummy balloon, the crash test dummy. Cool, cool, cool. Got that working. 6 minutes left. Damn, damn, damn. What do I do next? I could try to fix my movement, but I don't feel like it. Because as you can see, I'm only affecting X, so that's why it's all wrong. I'm gonna have to fix all that. Because originally I didn't have the collision at the bottom there. Also, why is it... Okay, no, it's fine, it's there. Perfect! Because remember, I have like trees at the bottom here, and my layout is gonna have to stick up a little bit. Did the things! I did the things! I know it looks weird. It's gonna be 1920, that's why it's like this, but right now we only have like smaller screen because or else it's way too big and it's annoying. Did things! I can't fly my basket through the trees. No! You'll bounce off. That's what I've decided is gonna do. I'll have to like finagle it, make sure like it's like aligned on the trees. But for now, it's gonna be this. For now. And eventually I'll have another one on top. I just didn't put it yet. It will have one on top that it will probably... Can I move collisions through script? Probably, right? I can probably just move the position. I'm assuming. Yeah, I'll probably just move the area. Because I'm thinking about it, because when we're in BRB mode or fight mode, the balloons are gonna take up all the space. So it's gonna push up a bit. So I'll have the collision have to move up also. Yeah, I can probably just move my script. Crash in the trees! You see like the balloon on fire, crashing down. Some do not like being moved, but you can turn them on and off. I guess. I'll see, because I'm not moving the collision per se, I'll be moving the area, the static body. Might be fine, we'll see. So when it's full screen, it's gonna be the top one that's gonna move. Only the other ones are gonna be fine, but just that one top one. Yeah. Can I have moving platforms like a side scroller? I guess that makes sense, yeah. 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 Yes, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. We'll be fine. Not sure how that would work though. Yeah, for a side scroller, yeah. Not sure either. There's always a way. You can always do a thing, make it work and make it break and stuff, right? Yep. At least we got stuff done. Yeah. May I have to change the type of node? Mayhaps I might have to. Default, just want to make sure there's no weird stuff left over. I think it's fine. It's fine if you're still pink green, we're still in testing phases. And mine. I wonder... Maybe I might make a dictionary of all of them. Or not. Like, I'm probably never gonna change mine. It's probably always gonna be the one balloon. If I change it, it's gonna be directly in the code. Yeah, I was thinking like, oh, I have access to everything for sure. But do I care? No. But yeah, might have to change the type of node. We'll see. I mean, it's a static body. Static. Yeah, static. Might not hurt to have a master list. That is true. Like, have it in the save file, maybe. So at least I know what I have and not be like, what do I have exactly? And have to go into the node every single time and be like, but I do have this though. This is technically the master list. Just be a note. Nah, then again, I have all of these. I don't really need it. Yeah. There's probably a way to retrieve all of them too through Godot. Like through the script. Yeah, it's probably get animated sprite and get all the animations. There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way. There's always a way. Anyway, let's make more balloons. I have to rename this folder. Edited. Kind of bother me. No, I'm using it. Never mind. Works for now. Yeah. Yeah, if it becomes too much at some point, I'll have to figure out a way. Gotta find a way. Ooh, the heart's gonna be a little different. Orange, blue stripes. That's kind of the same. Boop. It's on chirpy. Boop. Nope. Oops, that's not aligned. Kind of. That's fine. Good enough. Wait. It looks like there's transparency here. I don't know what happened. I might have to fix that one. I don't know what happened. Because it's gonna show. Oh well, I'll save it anyway. I'll just resave it later. This one was... What's the name of this one? What do I name it? Orange... God. I need to find names for them. I'll try to do art tomorrow if I can figure out why it was bugging. Maybe it's just my computer. Hopefully just my computer. And then we can make the crash test dummy balloon. It'll take 5 minutes. It'll take 2 seconds probably. Yes, another holiday this midweek, so more Hollow Knight. For now, I'll call it Orange Blue Stripes. I'm trying to avoid long names, but it's hard. Or OB Stripes. I'll start with long names and eventually I'll shorten. Can change the collision of a static body in a one-off, but there are animatable bodies. If they move frame to frame, they're also world boundary collision shape that is infinitely long. Thank you, bot. Welcome in. Hello. Yes, I do have to look that up properly. I'm just kind of figuring out my way as I go. Kind of morning, yes, hello. You want to add a border to them all so if you do bigger balloons, they still are the same X and Y. Huh? What? A border? Confusion. What are you saying? Yes, coffee. Thank you. That's not the response I was looking for. Okay, they all have the same problem. Cool! That means my pen wasn't right. I'll have to fix them all. We'll do that tomorrow if possible. I don't know. Rainbow! That one's easy to name. Rainbow! Warm tones. I'm starting to be hungry. Oh, I didn't do my bread this weekend. I wanted to do apple bread. Completely forgot. No. Also took a big nap yesterday. Wasn't very productive, was I? Yeah, they all have the same problem. Shows I've copy-pasted a lot. Oh my god, were you there? Oh, shut up. I'm dying. Oh, 32 degrees. Gross. My AC's on. Warm tunes. you do a balloon that is bigger than the others, it moves its center over, but they all have a border. The center stays in one spot. I guess I'll figure that out when I get there. You would love this bakery. It's just that I have a bunch of leftover apples that are like kind of too mushy to eat, that I don't like when they're mushy, but they're still kind of good. So yeah, I have to use them. Okay, let's put the new ones in. That was this one, this one, this one. Ta-da! Whoa! I've gone over! No! No! Apple bread. Yeah, I'm just going with the stuff I have, basically. Yeah. We make specialty loaves all the time. Nice. Yeah, a little over. A little over! Whoops. Yeah, I must work. I must work. Well, at least it's a holiday on Wednesday, so it's 2 days work, and then 1 day off, and then 2 days work, and then it's a weekend again, and then a normal week. Blech. Blech. No thank you. Huh. Is it too hot for James again? Is he not streaming? Could be. It's very warm. Very warm indeed. She's doing Lego art. What is she up to? Let's see. He'll be streaming a bit later. Get cools down maybe a bit. Stay cool. Yeah, it is. Ooh, it is warm. It is indeed very warm. Alright, software and game. Maybe we should go look for someone in that. Good god, that webcam. Sorry, I'm judging people. Can I see the game before you go? Wait, hold on. Wait, if I can add a bug. There it is. That is the game. Very beautiful, isn't it? When there's no balloons. That's normal. Test. There we go. Ta-da! Everybody's writing in chat right now. Only on Twitch, that's why you can't see the chat messages, but yes. Hey, there's Yoshi. There we go. Switch to default. Nice, nice, nice. There you go. Got the balloons. I just looked at the seagull go by. Well, it works. And oh, YouTube doesn't work very well. Or it gave you a really dark color. I don't know. Oh, whoa. Oh, it doesn't like the YouTube switch, does it? Well, we found a bug. Yippee. Oh jeez. Yeah, I probably just forgot something. Oh, that's why. Yeah, it's just data message, I think. I'm just gonna fix this while I'm here. YouTube. That's Twitch, I believe. Those are events. Give me a Twitch, YouTube message, please. Oh my god, where is it? Message, so it's data message directly. Yep. That should be better. Ta-da, fix the bug. I do the buggy. I even picked a balloon I didn't have. Yeah, it bugged before that. Way before that. So that was the game. And now we're finding somebody to raid out to. Let's see. Oh, we got somebody doing some Godot. Just making sure there's no AI so far. I don't know about later, but so far it's not doing anything AI, so that's fine. Because no AI here. Alright, let's raid this person. I do not know them. But let's go meet new people. This raid. Ready? Yes, ready. I still don't have an ending screen. One day. Is that a Portal shirt? Yes, it is. It's a, you know those wool shirts? But like with turrets. Yeah, it is a Portal shirt. It is indeed. Alrighty. We're raiding on the Twitch side here. For YouTube, obviously no raid. Nerd! Yes. And I'll be back tomorrow, 7 a.m. We're gonna try to do art, the one that I couldn't do today, because I don't know why, I didn't feel like it. Maybe my computer's being borky again. Wi-Fi is borky on my computer. Yeah. Because I do believe it needs to use the Wi-Fi card for that. I think. Or the Bluetooth. They're both kind of weird. But yes, it was fun. We got some stuff done. We debugged some stuff, and maybe someday I'll finish my overlay. Yay! One day! Why did I have to bork my OBS before I was done? No! And then once the base is done for the game, I will probably go through the affiliate process again. And then we'll be able to add channel redeems in the game. Which won't work very well on the YouTube side, but Twitch will have the best stuff, you know? So, hope you guys have a great day, and see you tomorrow. Bye.